Today we're diving into a super useful feature, how to save Snapchat snaps. If you've ever received a snap that you absolutely loved and wanted to keep it for later, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. You'll land on the familiar camera screen, which is the heart of Snapchat. To access your chats, look for the chat icon. This is usually represented by a speech bubble and is located at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that icon to see your recent conversations. Once you're in the chat section, scroll through your list of friends and select the friend whose snap you want to save. Tap on their name and their chat will open up. Now, here's where the fun begins. When you open the chat, the snap will appear on your screen. To save it, look for the download icon located at the bottom of the snap. Simply click on that icon and voila, your snap will be saved to your device. Now, it's important to note that in order to save snaps from a friend, you and that friend need to have been sending snaps to each other at least once a day for 2 or more days. Once this condition is met, a save option will appear, indicating that you can now save the snap. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.